Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make this dal dish. The ingredients, I have 1 medium onion, some garlic clove, and some green seasoning. 3 cups of yellow split peas that I have pre-soaked overnight. I also have some dry basil leaves as well as some seasoning salt. And lastly, I have some Jamaican curry powder. Preheat 2 teaspoons of olive oil in a pressure cooker pot on medium heat. Half of the chopped onion, also add half of the chopped garlic. Lightly sprinkle some basil leaves for your flavor. Use a spatula to mix the ingredients. Add 2 tablespoons of green seasoning. Now I'm using a spatula to mix all my ingredients. Wash the peas, then add it to the seasonings and spices. Now use a spatula to mix in the seasonings with the peas. Add 4 to 4.5 cups of water, then use your spatula to mix all the ingredients. Add the second half of your chopped onion. Add 1 chopped celery branch for some extra flavor. Bring the split peas to a boil. Tightly cover the pressure cooker and cook the split peas for 30 to 35 minutes. Reduce heat to low. Use a spatula to mix since the split peas tends to settle at the bottom of the pot. Now I'm ready to make my dal, and I'm going to add the most important ingredient, which is 2 teaspoons of curry powder. I'm using a spatula to mix in the curry into the peas. I'm adding some taste to my dal by lightly sprinkling some onion powder. I'm also adding 1 teaspoon of seasoned salt to my taste. Instead of using my spatula to mix, I'm going to whisk my ingredients into my dal. This will also break up whatever is settled at the bottom of the pot. I'm going to allow my dal to simmer on low for 3 to 5 minutes. At this point, I'm going to taste my dal to see if it needs any additional seasonings, as well as whisk my dal. This next step is optional. I've added the remainder of my chopped garlic. Then I'm going to continue whisking my dal. This additional step is optional, but I've added some additional salt, and I'm going to add some additional heat with some cayenne pepper. I'm using my whisk to whisk those 2 ingredients into my dal. My dal is finally done, and I can't wait to eat. I'm going to pour my dal over my white rice and eat it with some curry potatoes. I hope that you have enjoyed this video, but before you leave, please subscribe if you haven't already and like this video. And as always, keep cooking, chefs. Bye.